Have a look for the specimen of the pancreas. Pancreas is the mixed gland consisting of endocrine as well as exocrine part. Pancreas is divisible into head, neck, body and tail. Extent of the pancreas you are knowing is from T12 to L3 vertebra. Head of the pancreas is contained into the C-shaped curve of the duodenum. And in this specimen, please have a look that head on the posterior aspect is grooved by the common bile duct. Then after the head comes the neck. Neck lies in front of the formation of the portal vein. Then comes the body. Body starts from the front of the aorta to the front of the left kidney. And after the body is the tail of the pancreas, which comes in relation with the hilum of the spleen between the two layers of the lienorenal ligament. In this specimen, have a look for the main pancreatic duct, which has been colored by the pink color. Look for the CBD, that is the common bile duct. They pierce the posteromedial wall of the second part of the duodenum independently, joined to form ampulla of Vater. And look, the arrow is pointing their opening, that is the major duodenal papilla.